Alright guys, we are unboxing and setting up my new ring light. So this is a 16-inch DIY ring light. So by DIY, I mean essentially you can actually shape the light bar itself in multiple different positions depending on what shape you want it to be. For me, ideally, I like it in the straight kind of bar lighting version as I have it kind of laid out here, or else in the octagon that they kind of display on the box. So I've just been kind of unboxing, showing the pieces here, and I'm just kind of showing the different color temperature that you can go. So it's got a 3200 through 7,000 Kelvin color temperature setting on there. So here it is. It's just that you kind of clip these little pieces at the back to reshape it. So I've done it into kind of a rectangle shape here, just to show kind of some of the different sizes that you can do. So there is little plug areas where you would plug in your piece that will turn on your lights or change the settings. So depending on how you have it shaped and where you want it sitting, you can totally kind of adapt it to where it's needed. Also comes with these tripods as well if you want to make it a countertop, or a extra large tripod comes with it as well. I'm just playing around with it with my face here. You can kind of see some of the different temperatures and see how it really affects your skin tone, and really see how much extra brightness you get. I love that you get a full ring light around the eye, because that's usually what I'm using these for, is to really enhance the eye, which you definitely get with this one. Whereas I've purchased some ring lights before that you don't actually end up having enough of a ring around your eye. So for me, it definitely has that kind of beauty feature that I am looking for. Definitely recommend you check it out. It's been a great purchase so far.